Odabuana Megideha, Omada Megideha, Yomona Megideha, Wizwe Megideha, Odamuma Megideha, Odana Megideha, Ungwako Megideha, Zinoza Megideha, Ozuzua Megideha, Uzuzua Megideha, Uzueke Megideha, Uzuoli Megideha, Ikunne Megideha, Ikunna Megideha, Ikunibe Megideha, Abatovi Megideha, Enu Megide, Enu Nana Megide Mosino de Adorani Namau. Omada Megideha, Yomona Megideha, Wizwe Megideha, Odamuma Megideha, Odana Megideha, Ungwako Megideha, Zinoza Megideha, Ozuzua Megideha, Uzuzua Megideha, Uzuzueke Megideha, Uzuoli Megideha, Ikunne Megideha, Ikunna Megideha, Ikulibe Megideha, Abadovi Megideha, Enu Megide, Enu Nana Megide Mosino, Adorani Lamau.
Helunala Megide Mosino Gaya, Derani Namau. Success. It's like, you know, it's I want to begin talk again today. I don't know. I'm not aware. Now, I have a question. How long will Nigeria continue to disgrace themselves? How long? How long will Nigeria continue to disgrace themselves? Eh? So what is the need of all this? I don't know. Tinubu, we know you are a supplanter. We know you are a jagabandit. We know. But you are, in the eyes of everyone, the president of Nigeria. You have the power. You have everything to take decision. How long will you continue to allow this shame and disgrace? Chukwama, thank you. And I heard a declaration. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's nice to see you. And everyone in the house, I appreciate you all. Uzamaka, you're welcome. Thank you so much, Chukwama. Thank you. Now, look at today. Wait, there's a video I watched. Let me bring that video first. So wait. Let me bring that video first because there's somebody that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu greeted in the court today. The guy, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu greeted him, and he was wearing something. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asked him, I don't know if you people noticed it. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told nobody that came to court, you know, sometimes we need to know how we represent ourselves, how we appear, you know, whoever we are, where we are, how we show up. How we show up. You cannot be a Biafran and then everything around you is Nigeria. Oh my God. Where's that video? Or about video, or the first video put out this morning. The first video. Some told they share a lot of videos. Okay, oh yeah, they had. Okay, oh yeah, they have. Oh, the kids got to do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. All right, let's see this. Let's see this together. It made me laugh very loud. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bukwana onye ndu. Listen. Isi broji Igbo, ị na-aga ịfụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dịka Tinubu. Dịka Tinubu. Nnamdi Kanu is a man that follows details. He's a man of integrity, a man whiter than white, whiter than snow. He is a well-detailed man. That is why anything they think they can do to him to frustrate him, it is all in vain. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will always win. His sense of humor, his alertness, his integrity, everything is intact. Nothing will corrupt him. He's a holy man. Anyway, we are going to go to the dialogue that ensued. Let me see. Our breaking news master have come. He said, in as much Ngozi said they are giving Biafrans in Nigeria American visa like what because of her inauguration. I expect Kelena, Kia TV, Marvelous, and Rose to be there on that day. Ngozi is a fraud. Yes, so you're right. All of them must be there. Especially Arinze, Marvelous Arinze must be there. He has to be there. They have to give them visa. They are giving everybody visa like water. Marvelous only can do it. Ngozi will marry him. Ngozi can marry him and bring him. Go deadly. They will marry. They do fake marriage, and Ngozi will carry and come. Ngozi will do fake marriage. They carry and go. Ngozi can do anything. All right, let's go to the dialogue that ensued there today. All right, let's see. Here is Katinibu. It's okay, man. They cannot Katinibu. Okay, where is my okay, not this one. Okay, this one. All right, let's go. Let me get it on the screen. Let's go through it. All right, there we are. As usual, we use some tools page to get our feed, our updates. Now, that is it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court update, 14th of May 2025. The defense team led by Kanu Agabi introduces his team of lawyers. Witness BBB has been called into the dock. Witness BBB stated and tendered a medical report indicating the cause of the death of Ahmed Gulak. Transcription of cross-examination proceedings. Witness BBB Agabi is now asking him, you obtained the video statement from the defendants. The witness said, yes, my lord. Okay, he agreed on this one. Agabi, in that statement, only the defendant and his lawyers were visible. The witness said, yes. Agabi, the video was not complete. Are we able to see those who conducted the interview? Were you wearing mask? You know he's a mask man. The witness said, I cannot remember, my lord. He can never remember. Everything, with anything that is not about him in that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he will not remember it. Agabi, for how long was the defendant in detention before you made the video? Very simple question. At least you should know. Even if you don't know, you can guess and say, okay, you can even give a time frame. He was in detention between this time and this time. For how long? Listen, I don't know. I am not aware of his detention, my Lord. Defendant has been kept alone in cell all by himself. He was kept alone in cell all by himself. Take note of this place. He shot himself on the leg here. That he was kept in cell alone all by himself for a long time. But you must understand that solitary confinement is punishment. He was kept in the cell alone, all by himself, all solitary confinement. Then the Agabina told him, but you must understand that solitary confinement is punishment. So you have not yet convicted a man, but you have subjected him to punishment. Then Agabi said, if that's what you mean, is a punishment. Did you keep him in solitary confinement before because he is a danger to himself or the society? You should answer it. Then witness said, I am not aware he was in solitary confinement. He said he was not aware. But already you made a statement here that he was kept alone in a cell. And you even said it there all by himself. And you that said this statement, you never even read 2 seconds. You say, I am not aware he was in solitary confinement. All alone by himself. What is it? What is the difference of all alone by himself and solitary confinement? You see animal kingdom, you see a terrorist country. Look at the two of them, just interval of just 2 seconds. I am not aware of his long detention, my Lord. Defendant, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been kept. Not that he was kept. He has been kept alone in a cell all by himself. That means for all this duration of how many years, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been kept alone by himself. Solitary confinement for over 4 years now. And then this idiotic, I don't know human being. Hey, he said, I'm not aware he was in solitary confinement. Okay, Agabi said, you subjected Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to solitary confinement. He's now putting it to him. The witness, I am not aware or how the defendant has been in detention. In the run. Somebody should ask this Mr. BBB, I am not aware and I don't know. Ask him, why are you running? Why are you running? So we don't know one judge case. On one judge matter. We're not going to explain tire. He said, I'm not aware how long the defendant has been in detention. Agabi, do you know the minimum days to keep someone in solitary confinement? Agabi want to make sure he established this particular point. Do you know the minimum days to keep someone in solitary confinement? The witness, he is now going to quote United Nations. From United Nations law, you cannot keep someone for more than 15 days. So he's even aware of laws. So this man is aware of United Nations law. But something that he has come to bear a witness to, every other question you ask him, I don't know, I'm not aware. Aware of this. Okay, Agabi, the long detention of this gentleman has caused him unhappiness. And then the witness said, I am not aware. So witness, can you be kept in one place for 4 years and then you will be happy? Can you imagine it? He said, I'm not aware. Good. Agabi, are you aware this gentleman has been in detention for 4 years after the interview? The defendant has become very unhappy and frustrated. He still reply, I am not aware. God, Jesus, you see why you need to destroy this entity. Agabi said, this prolonged detention is not through a court order. He's asking him, do you know that this detention was not through a court order? The idiotic goat said, I don't know, my Lord. Hey, Agabi said, defendant was arrested in 2015. Witness, I am not aware. My Lord, I was not part of the investigation, my Lord. You're not aware. Do you know some of the charges were dropped? I do not know. I don't know about the previous charges, my Lord. You don't know anything. You don't know. Agabi, following the amendments, several charges have been dropped. Witness, I do not know, my Lord. Okay, you don't know. He doesn't know anything. Will you ever know anything? God will destroy all of you. Agabi, all the charges, only 3 was attributed to the defendants. He continued to say, I don't know. Agabi, do you know that the charges were amended 6 days after his arrest and kidnapping? Witness, I am not aware, my Lord. Agabi, in fact, at the time, the charges have been pending in court for 6 years. Witness, I am not aware, my Lord. God. Agabi, it is from this letter you became aware of this case. Agabi is not asking him. Okay, since you are saying I'm not aware. Is it from this your letter from AGF that you became aware of this case? Because you are a witness and you are saying you are not aware, you're aware. So does it mean now you are a witness just because you read the letter that you came with? Then why are you a witness? Is it because everything they ask you, you are not aware? Now they are asking you, is it from this letter you brought here that you became aware of this case? Look at the simple question they ask him. He still answered, I am not aware, my Lord. Can you see the disgrace Nigeria is putting themselves through? A witness is not aware of what he came to witness. Okay, then I ask you, okay, since you're not aware of all the questions, you brought a letter that contained all these things. Are you not telling us that you came to witness this case just because they gave you a letter and you knew about everything in the letter? That is to say, you were not even part of anything. You just read it and you want to come and witness what you do not know. He now answered, I am not aware, my Lord. Agabi. Hey, Nigeria, some people are seeing it too. All right. Before you received the directive from your office, were you aware of this matter? Okay. Before you received directives from your office that you are going to be a witness, were you aware of this matter? That is, since you are a witness, you should have been, involved in this particular issue. Before you even left your office, this answer, does it not shock you all? He is not aware through the letter. He's not aware as a witness. And now they ask him, are you aware? Were you just given directives from the office? He still said, I don't know, my Lord. Agabi said, in the letter, the AGF complaints he had received, what was the response of your office? Simple question again. The AGF complained about the complaints he had received. Was the response of your office? He doesn't even know this one. I don't know, my Lord. The only investigation you conducted was a video interview. Now, is it the only video interview? You claim you conducted interview. Is it the only video interview that you conducted? He said, it was not so, my Lord. Yeah. After Agabi have gone through all these shenanigans, all these badadash and up and down, Agabi now said, I put it to you. You did not conduct any other interview. I did, but the dogs are in my office. Then everyone in the court started laughing. Is it not something that people should laugh about? You understand? You are not aware of anything. Now, when they now put it to you, you said everything is in your office. The same office you say you are not aware. The same office say did not tell you anything. Now everything is now in your office. Hey, after you received the AGF directives, the charges were again amended. He now said, I am just an investigator. I am not aware of the contents of the charges, my Lord. Hey, Agabi. In that directive, the AGF already had given you his conclusion. Did you issue a report after that investigation? He said, yes, I did. I put it to you that charges remained the same after the directives of the AGF. Witness, I don't know how, my Lord. Now, I put it to you that you were influenced by AGF letter. Witness, no, my Lord. Okay, if you were not influenced by the AGF letter, you are not aware of anything, but you brought a letter that contained all the things that is being accused, that you are accusing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of, and you are not aware of any other question. The only thing you are aware of is that you brought a letter and the content of that letter. Then the AGF is now putting it to you that you were influenced by the letter written by Malami, the witness. No, my Lord. No, we'll soon buy you. Southwest governors came together and agreed to form a vigilante group. Then he said, I am aware the governor did so. The governors did so. Agabi, did you get a letter from AGF to complain about the killings of innocent people? I am aware the Southeast governors formed Ameteku. Is that the question they asked him? Is that the question they asked him? Now, what is even Ameteku issue getting to do in this particular case? Anyway, stay tuned for more updates as recorded here. I don't know. I saw the former deputy governor of Edo State there. Look at him. Former deputy governor of Edo State. All right, I think that's the much I can take from that. Brethren, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he knows how to shame the enemies. And Chukwu Kabiama backing him up. All the enemies of Biafra will be put to shame and they will all be disgraced. May Chukwu Kabiama bless our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and may he continue to protect and preserve him, and may he bless our Prime Minister, protect, preserve him, and set him free. They will all be put to shame. He say. Thank you very much, everyone. I'll see you in the evening when I come back for another broadcast. Commercial.
Ngwako megidebe ha, zinoza megidebe, ozuzu ahụ megidebe ha, ozuzu nkwọ megidebe ha, ozuzu eke megidebe ha, ozuzu orie megidebe ha, ikwu nne megidebe ha, ikwu nna megidebe ha, ikwu na ibe megidebe ha, agbata obi megidebe ha, enu megide. Enu na megide mmụọ si n'oge ha dọrọ anyị na mma. Ụmụada megidebe ha, nyomọna megidebe ha, Wizigwe megidebe ha, ọda amụma megidebe ha, ọda ana megidebe ha, Ngwako megidebe ha, Zinụzọ megidebe ha, ozuzu ahụ megidebe ha, ozuzu nkwọ megidebe ha, eke megidebe ha, orie megidebe ha, ikwu nne megidebe ha, ikwu nna megidebe ha, ikwu na ibe megidebe ha, agbata obi megidebe ha, enu megide